guys, welcome back to my channel. I've done a lot of things to the car already. The rim is black now, and we also took the front license plate off, and the back of the car says Charger and RT, and he painted that black. Oh, and he also surprised me with other car stuff. He bought me a pedal and like the brake for the inside of the car. And he also bought me my lowering kit. And the brand is Mopar. I'll insert pictures because all those stuff that I told you guys that he bought for me, they're at his house, but I took pictures of them. To the inside of the car, I just added the Charger floor mats, and it just says Charger, and the driver's seat just says Charger as well. Okay, so next I'm gonna use this Hot Shine tire spray. For the dashboard and the interior of the car, I'm gonna use this. I don't really like it. I was liking this other one, but it works pretty good, I guess. So this is what I'm gonna spray the dashboard with. We found these auto sticks for the car. You could either hang them up or hide them. This is a seaside coconut scent. They're really good for like 2 weeks, but it's really not 90 days. But it's just a regular stick. You just kind of like rip it, you open it. They smell really good. They're like $3. We bought them at Target. And then you just hang it right here. And it's gonna smell delicious.